Good morning, everyone. This is an exciting day for us because it's Industry Day at Florida's RV Super Show. So today is where RV World comes together with all the new RVs, and we're able to go in before the public and view RVs and video RVs and give our opinions, and there is absolutely no telling who all we will meet today. So stick around, watch us meander around Lost. This is our first time here, so stick around, enjoy it, and see what we get into. All right, we run into our first little hiccup here. We pulled in off of Orient Road, and it had a sign with arrows pointing to Industry Day, so we followed it. Went to the first parking lot. She asked me for my lot credentials. I had no idea what the heck she was talking about. So we told her this is our first time and what do we need to do. She said, you need to turn around, go back to the gate, which I think she said gate 4. And this is gate 4. So 9:34, and supposedly the gates open up at 10, so I'm glad we left early. So we'll see if we can get in this gate and see if they let us through. So I believe that is the campground for the fairgrounds, and the word that I got was this year that you were only allowed to show up on Tuesday, which is Industry Day. So not only are you having to wait till Industry Day, but you're having to fight all this traffic to get into that campground. So I think we made the right call by staying where we stayed and not waiting till today to come in. All right, well, we are in. So we flashed our badges, and she asked us if we paid for the week for parking, and I told her we paid for 2 days, and we are in. So let's see, we're following signs now that says Industry Day again. So we'll see where it leads us, and eventually we'll get in. All right, I think we have arrived. We have followed signs all the way around to the expo hall. All right, looks like we're gonna go through this gate, and then we're gonna be like in a staging area for the gates to open at 10. All right, 10 o'clock, and gates are open. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie, there is a ton of money in this hanger right here. Look at there. They're not even showing that one. All right, so as soon as you come through the building with the $1 million motorhomes, there's a map immediately on your right hand side. So if you don't get a map when you come through the door, or you don't load the map by QR code when you come in the doors, then there's a huge map there and you can find out where you're gonna go. So our itinerary right now is to go straight to Forest River, and I want to check out the new Riverstone Legacies. And then I've got a follower that wants me to get some prices of some Grand Design units. And then what we're going to do is turn Kay loose, because this is her element right here. She loves looking at campers no matter where we're at, and she's already told me that she could look at every one of them. But fun fact, there's 1,100 plus campers here at the Tampa RV show, with over 450 plus vendors and exhibits, and I mean, you name it, food trucks. I mean, look, they're already set up, ready to. All right, we found the Riverstones. We're gonna look at a 39 rear kitchen front bath. It's got the new paint scheme on it. It's got the Kurt pin box on it now with the actual springs. You know, ours, we have the 42 FSKG, and it's got the airbag up front. So let's see here. So we got the two 40-pound tanks. Huge storage bay right here, and it's got the water manifold, and it looks like it has the in-house water filter. It's got your doors here, and then we'll see if this one, yeah, this one has the screws in it. So you remove the screws and you get to all your wiring there. Got an outside plug here, friction doors, and it's got the glass door on it. You got a good probably a 16-17 foot awning there, and then you've got the awning over your slide too. So let's see what we got here. Yeah, I got a pretty good sized TV outside as well. So there's your rear hitch ratings, 300 pounds. And of course you got your ladder to get up on top of your roof and look at your roof. Let's see what's in here. Oh, a little bunk storage, or little driver's side storage with your water shut-offs. This is a rear kitchen, so the cubby hole. And there's your trash can. Looks like you got a slot where you can open up and put your trash in there. I do like the colors. Colors are nice. There's your furnace, and then you still got the Truma. The other side of your pass-through. That's nice. Then there's your filtration system and your controls. The Nautilus system. So they went back to the Nautilus system. I wish our camper had the Nautilus system, because I love the knobs It's more self-explanatory. Alright, it's more self-explanatory with the knobs. All you do is match colors with the pictures. So you winterize, you move valves that way, camping, dry camping, power fill tank, city water. So we're in the, looks like dry camping mode. So, and then, oh, they went to valve buttons. So they're electric valves now. So it's got 2 grays and looks like 2 blacks. Huh, interesting, very interesting. And there's your battery bay. Comes with your side cameras here. And then let's see what's up front. All right, generator prep. You got your hydraulic fluids up here. Nice. All right, we'll go inside and check out the inside. So immediately walking in, you got your half bath. Pretty good size half bath. Should be washer and dryer. Oh yeah, washer and dryer. And I can't reach them. That's your laundry basket that comes in from the bedroom, and then you have your soft closed doors. Let's see here. So there's your BM Pro. I haven't used that system. There's your Truma hot water switch for eco and regular off. Then we'll come up here up into the bedroom. Nice spacious bedroom. Got some good cabinet space here. Cabinets, those are soft close. These would have thought have been soft close. There's cabinet space here, cabinet space here. There's your laundry drop right there. And it looks like it comes with a Starlink router modem. Pocket slide doors. 2 sinks in the bathroom. Nice size shower. It's got your rain shower head. Nice. Those are soft close. And kind of like a walk-in closet here. It's nice. Got your electric vac, cordless vac. Fantastic fan. Walking into the living room and the kitchen. I like that they put light switches here walking in the door. Ours has 2, but it looks like there's 4 here. And then look at the windows that you have on that side. You have a desk here. A lot of storage there. Another thing I like they did was they moved the cord hole in the very back of the table. Ours is kind of up more towards the middle of the table. Your dinette. And it does slide out too, it looks like. Kitchen, got a U-shaped kitchen here. I would have thought maybe they would have put a counter extension maybe here. Double sink. Samsung refrigerator. Samsung microwave. And You got the full-size oven, 4-burner stove. Looks like you got some storage up top. And then the Whisper Quiet ACs, which I love. 65-inch, they're still putting a 65-inch. Samsung's in it, and they're also giving you a, looks like a sound bar. Fireplace below. And then your, looks like probably your jackknife sofa. And then your entertainment theater seating. I like the fan. All right, floor's nice. Yes, linoleum floor, and then they have the flap, so no carpet whatsoever. That's nice. I'm glad they started taking carpet out of these campers. All right, let's check out Dynamax line. .106 plus, it's on the M2 106 plus chassis. Storage, more storage. A lot of storage in this thing. All storage. Oh, it's got the aqua hot. .360 horsepower, 1,150 pounds of torque. Your awnings come out from over the top and then kind of droop out and hang down. Let's go check out the inside. Here's your cab. Nice spacious looking cab, and then you got your top bunk up here. Slide out controls here. Ladder for your bunk area. Then all of your controls are here. Looks like. Got your extended counter here and a huge couch. Let's check out the storage. Good looking storage. Soft closed doors, which we all love. Countertops, pretty spacious. Your double sink here. TV's right above the sink. A little bit of storage here. Soft closed doors. Fuse panel box there. A little bit of storage here. Some storage there. Check out the refrigerator. Samsung. Residential, and then it's pull out. No, yeah, individual drawers come out. Ooh, that was not soft close. Half bath here, and then washer and dryer, nice. Big open cabinet here. Soft close storage doors here. Nice entertainment center in here and closet space. So guys, here's the only thing I don't like about the east to west beds is the fact that when you go to make it, you're standing here and then you have to reach way over here to get the sheets up. If there's a different way to make up a bed other than that, let me know. The north to south beds are, to me, is the way to go. It's easier to make, and it's easier on your back. So you have push button flush, add water, no foot pedal. Double sink, which they could have made this a single sink and given you a little bit more counter space. Deep storage there. I'm sorry, I keep thinking they're soft closed doors and they're slamming. All right. You know, walking around here industry day, you never know who you will run into. How y'all doing?
Hi, good, how are you?
Good. Look at that color. That is crazy.
There's the itty bitty.
Man, that Super C right there is big money. Kay says, there's a little bitty. we could probably put that in the back of the truck.
Yeah.
There's not much to that one whatsoever. So when we first came in, the one that was covered up with the black sheet, here it is right here. That thing is amazing. I wonder how much you have to have in your bank account to get that right there. That's gonna do it for us today. I'm gonna tell you right now. So it's over at 4 o'clock and it's about 15-16 minutes till 4, and our feet are absolutely killing us. We have walked and walked and walked. I'm not even sure how many steps we have done today, but all in all, it's been a great day. There are thousands of campers in here to take a look at and to get an idea of what you want, and if it's gonna fit you, you can walk through them to your heart's content and find the right one. And they've got service places set up in there, or should I say offices set up in there. You can do your financing and everything right there, and buy you a brand new unit right here. So we're gonna call it a day here. We're slow rolling it back to the truck and make it back to the campground for an evening to probably ice down a knee and take some medicine for some pain and call it a good day. So if you're coming to the Florida RV Super Show, wear some comfortable shoes and prepare yourself for a long day. And this was industry day, so it was not open to the public, and but it was still packed. There was a lot of people here, a lot of YouTubers, a lot of content creators, and a lot of media. So again, we're gonna call it quits today. I'm gonna end this video here, It's probably a long video, and if you stayed this long, please hit that like button, share it with your friends and family, hit that subscribe button, and help us out. Until my next video, safe travels.